So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, then slow and type HP ProBook 450 G7 7. Then scroll down, select operating system first. If we are using Windows 10, no worry about it because driver installation process same. Scroll down, find out the network, and you can see this is Wi-Fi latest driver. Okay, so just click to download. After downloaded setup, click to open, and now try to install. Next, I accept. Next. Now this is installing the driver to your system, so it is completed. After that, you restart your system. Okay, thank you.